Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X and I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and for now, as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode. So the most important information here is that the camera leveler is not available in the photo mode, in the basic photo mode here, so we have to change it. And in this device it's available only in the video mode. And also when we slide this to the more, we get access to the pro mode, so here we also get access to it. So I'm going to turn it on in the pro mode and then turn it off in the video modes, because when we turn it on at the one mode, we also can see it in the other mode. So let's go to the more advanced settings here, which are in the right corner, and by tapping on this button we can easily see it. So in the capture settings we have this horizontal level, and by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So I'm going to stay on turning it on to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, it generates as this line, and it should help us to keep our photographic or video topic straight. And this is how it works. And now let's move to the video mode. So by tapping on the X here, we can go back from the pro mode to the standard photo mode. And let's tap on the video for now. And as you can see here, we have also turned it on our leveler. This is how it presents. And to turn it off, we have to go to the more advanced settings here also. And in the video settings we have the horizontal level. And by tapping on this, we can easily turn it off. And as you can see, it's gone for now. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.